Capricorns, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. The final days of April, stepping into May 2021, we have the Ten of Swords. It's quite likely that you were feeling the heat. Possibly you were feeling helpless because of the insurmountable problems. Oftentimes you may have been frustrated as your instincts were being ignored. Maybe knives were also being sharpened behind your back. You may also have been somebody who was grappling with excess work, and this had put a lot of strain on you. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Ace of Swords. Certainly, Capricorns, you're being asked to cut through the obstacles, but then this could be a challenge as well. Maybe you should take the assistance of your friends and acquaintances, or you should use your contacts to get ahead. I think you should also be careful of your words because you could be getting annoyed or you could be getting hot and bothered for no rhyme or reason. And this could also have a bearing on your health. This is also the month when you'll have to sail with the changes. Maybe there could be changes in your schedule. Time could also be at a premium, so you think that you have a lot to deal with. Maybe you have too much on your plate, but you have to adjust to the circumstances that you find yourself in. I think for some of you there could also be outstation offers, but then maybe you're not too keen or they are not going to excite you enough. Influences for this month, we have the Two of Swords. Basically, Capricorns, you're being called upon to take responsibility. Maybe you're undecided about how you should proceed. Possibly like this lady here, she is in a limbo. Likewise, I think you don't know which way to act. In the main, you have to find solutions to the problems. Possibly it would be better to deliberate or to brainstorm with a senior person, maybe a father figure or a male figure who could help you out. I think you're also somebody who could use your intelligence to good effect. Capricorns, did you notice that we have a lot of swords energy in this reading? Sometimes, you could also feel the pressure because everybody expects you to come to their aid. And this means that you don't have time for yourself. Sometimes, Capricorns, you could also be put off by those who cling to you for guidance. You feel that they forget to oblige you. Basically, you're somebody who doesn't want to be taken for granted. I think you don't want to put up with these kinds of people. The first 10 days we have the King of Cups. Maybe you're somebody who's going to take on the role of an advisor, or you could be consulting a lawyer or a doctor. You should pay attention to the words of wisdom. Maybe somebody is a senior figure, has much knowledge and is passing on the same to you. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you should follow your instinct, as ignoring it could be imprudent. There will also be those times when you have to find alternatives and solutions to the problems that you're encountering. Maybe you should also act slyly and have your way. Capricorns, it is best to count your blessings rather than whine about the situation you find yourself in. On the work front, Capricorns, you may be feeling as though that your family members aren't too supportive, while there are other people who are going out of the way to help you out. This is definitely a blessing. Maybe you're also somebody who's going to deal with a lot of paperwork or technical work. But you can take heart from the fact that you are going to move from one task to another. Those of you dealing with a colleague or an agent, you should make sure that this person doesn't take undue advantage of you. Nevertheless, deals will be struck in this period. The next 10 days is a 10 of Cups. Certainly a sense of completion is going to be there. You'll feel content as well. I think you are being called upon to rush and finalize those deals. Maybe you should also expect more from your clients. Except for some minor worries, Capricorns, in this period you will feel quite satisfied. At times you may also feel as though your voice is being ignored within the family. Maybe you could also be accused of being self-centered. Nevertheless, positive feedback is quite likely. You are going to be appreciated at work. In this time also, between 11th to 20th May, you could also find yourself becoming aware of the ploys of your rivals. Those Capricorns who are dealing with an envious boss, I think you will find that he or she could deliberately put you down. In case you're at the helm of affairs, I think you will chop and change workers. Possibly you're also somebody who will assess their skills. Incidentally, Capricorns, you could also hear from a former employee who wants to rejoin the workplace. Ideally, Capricorns, it would be best to give your juniors the freedom, or you should also have a flexible mindset. Towards 21st to 31st May, we have the Five of Swords against the Swords energy. So this is the time when you should be careful with your choice of words. Perhaps you should weigh your words carefully to avoid misunderstandings. Thankfully, you will also get a chance to make amends or to undo the wrong. Interestingly, this period will also be marked by surprises. You will be able to complete a lot of work, but then sometimes you may feel that your ideas find no takers. In fact, some could also say that they are controversial. Nevertheless, you can expect praise and appreciation for your work. Maybe there's also confirmation from someone whom you hold in high regard that you're on the right track, and this is quite heartening. Some of you could also give a serious thought to a project or a venture that you have in mind, but then there'll be those delays that you have to deal with. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you're being called upon to take your chances, or there could be missed opportunities. It is your glib talk which could help you make gains. This month, I'm also picking up that you need to do some spiritual cleansing. Maybe you should follow your sixth sense. There could be a past life issue also that you need to deal with. Home improvements are also quite likely. Interestingly, this month I'm also picking up that you're being called upon to do some spiritual practice. Possibly there's going to be spiritual growth. Maybe you're also dealing with a past life issue. Perhaps spiritual cleansing or cleansing of the home environment will also benefit you a great deal. With respect to your love life, I have the card incubation, eggs. I think your relationship is developing. Single Capricorns, I think you're the one who could make the effort to reach out to this person whom you have strong feelings for, though you don't want to do so. You also realize that you should not come across as someone being persuasive. At times, you may feel as though you're not making any headway. Nevertheless, there will be those times when you will be filled with nostalgia because you're yearning for this person. Basically, you're waiting for him to call or to reconnect. Capricorns, there will also be those secret admirers. Maybe they want to meet you, but then you will disappoint them. You're definitely going to be wooed this month. Maybe even on a dating site, there could be a marriage proposal. Interestingly, some of you may also find an ex-flame reaching out to you. In case you're romancing, I think you should need to give the relationship space and time. Possibly it needs to develop further. It's in the incubation stage, that is. Nevertheless, your lover and you seem to be aligned. Maybe you have the same thoughts or you share the same views as well. It's quite likely that this person could become emotional as the evening sets in. So maybe you should be patient with him and be more romantic. Largely, there'll be contentment in your relationship as well, especially towards the middle of the month, because we did have the Ten of Cups in your reading. In case yours is an on-again, off-again relationship, I think this is the best time to renew contact with this person. Maybe the two of you will also be apologetic to each other for your respective past behavior. Certainly, this is the time to bury the hatchet and move on. In case yours is a secret romance, then family elders could get a whiff of your relationship. Those of you who are married, I think you should avoid petty quarrels. Maybe you should deliberate and discuss issues that are bothering the two of you. Sometimes, you could also accuse your spouse of being inattentive. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think you should not put up with abuse. Maybe your person is also quite touchy and temperamental. He could also be quite suspicious and could link you with members of the opposite sex. In case yours is an extramarital relationship, I think you desire a union with this person. Possibly you want to do away with your unhappy relationship and be in the arms of this person who has intense love for you. We'll wrap up this reading with a message from an oracle deck. It says, "You're proceeding softly. My inner power grows in moments of quietude." I think the angels or the universe is asking Capricorns to go forward slowly and gently. You are someone who's always going to deliberate, understand the pros and cons of any situation, and then proceed. Likewise, the angels are asking you to stop and smell the daisies. Maybe you should reflect and ponder upon your life and appreciate what is here now. Surely, when you take time to go slowly, then new perceptions will blossom. Perhaps this time alone could also give you some perspective. It can give you new ideas as well. I hope Capricorns you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Star. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.